The recent surge in the number of crimes and criminal activities ranging from murder and armed robbery to rape and other dubious acts in the Gambia has become a concern for every citizen, as many feel insecure even in their own houses. However, the party leader of Alliance for National Reorientation and Development, General Lamin Bojang, blamed the situation on the government's negligence of the plight of the youths. Nesise has the rest of that.
Despite the fact that police stations are mounted in almost every community across the Gambia, increasing crime rates continue to take its course within the country, as most of these police stations lack proper training and equipment to be able to offer a rapid response to crises. In an interview with iAfrica TV, General Lamin Bojang says the surging crime rate among young people in the Gambia is because the government has neglected its responsibility towards the youth.
The government is neglecting their responsibilities. Let me put it this way so that people can understand. I'm a politician. If I speak this way, somebody will say that you are politicizing this whole thing. I'm not politicizing. You see, it is not the fault of the young people to do what they are doing. You see, the transition between adolescence to adulthood, there are a lot of things that happens there. And if one does not put programs or policies or guidelines or rules that will help young people to transit or to transit that particular period, it's always chaotic. It's always detrimental, and that is what we are facing now.
He added that even the fishery sector, where young people engage in for their livelihood, is taken by Senegalese. Mr. Bojang stated that he is of the belief that if young people are fully employed, these crimes could have been averted.
We have a serious problem. We have serious problem because government has not put anything in place. One, it is not employing young people. Two, there are no programs that will commit them or engage them. There are no other, measures that will deter them from involving in crimes.
He says the ANRD-led government will fill the leadership gap by making policies that will reorientate the development activities of the country.
Our role is in our name. Alliance, we have to come together. All of us, we have to come together for national reorientation. The direction that our country is taking is wrong. That is not where we can find our glories. That is not where we can find our development. We have to come together and reorientate our development activities. We have to make sure that we redirect the direction of this country so that we can develop. So my country is going to make sure that we empower we empower the young people. How are we going to empower the young people? Because if you don't empower them, it is the government that has the wherewithal to be able to make sure that the young people are committed, the young people are involved in gainful activities. This comes from policies, it comes from rules, it comes from laws, it comes from the leadership that you are providing. So that is what ANRD stands for, and that is what ANRD is yearning for, and that is what ANRD is asking for.
The Gambian National Guard launched an operation called Restore Sanity to complement the efforts of the Gambia Police Force's Operation Zero initiative, all geared towards reducing criminal activities in the country. But despite the government's efforts, Gambians feel that the security in the country is relapsing in recent months. For iAfrica News, Nesise.